Hi guys, my name is Alexander. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I'll teach you how to play accordion and improve your skills from beginners to more advanced level. Please like, subscribe and share videos to help my channel grow. Let's start. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play G major, D major, A major and E major scales. All of the major scales have one common thing, and that is bass fingerings. Difference between these scales and C major scale is they start from different position and they have sharps. I don't want to go into the music theory details now. If you want, comment below this video and I'm going to make a special video just for that. Instead, I'm going to show you a shortcut how to easily find out how many sharps these scales have. It's easy actually. Just go to your bass side and follow the alignments of the buttons. The scale that doesn't have any sharps or flats is C major. The one above is G major and it has one sharp. Next one above is D and it has two sharps. And the next one is A with the three sharps. And the next one is E with the four sharps. So, which sharps do they have? Sharps are written in the same order every time. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp, E sharp, and B sharp. Following this pattern, we can see that the G major has only F sharp. D major has F sharp and C sharp. A major has F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. E major has F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, comment in section down below. See you next time.